at the beginning of his ministry, entered into a synagogue, and he read a passage from the book of Isaiah. The Spirit of the Lord has anointed me to preach the good news to the poor. He has sent me to proclaim release to the captives and recovering of sight to the blind, to set at liberty those who are oppressed, to declare the year of the Lord's grace. Jesus lived this mission, and today the Varanasi province of the Indian Missionary Society is trying to live this mission in new areas and through new and innovative means. Father Gaspar Pinto, a priest from Mangalore, founded the Indian Missionary Society in 1941. The society faced many difficulties, and yet it grew steadily. In 1950, Monsignor Jose Fernandez, the first Superior General, raised the society into a religious congregation, and today the society has grown into a movement affecting the lives of the people of India, irrespective of their caste, class, or creed. In 1992, the society became two provinces, namely Delhi and Varanasi provinces. The Varanasi province of the IMS has oriented all its efforts to train its members to be at the service of the poor. It has its minor seminary at Teresapur near Chunar Ghats on the banks of river Ganges. A thorough training is given to the future missionaries in English and Hindi languages.
A. Second one is O. Cheya. 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 Cheya.
Say. The words are similar like brilliant. Without any noise. जैसे किसी नाटक को देखने के बाद, फिल्म देखने के बाद.
Hindustani music, vocal and instrumental are given due importance in the early stages of formation. Life in the seminary is centered around Jesus in the Eucharist. The pre-novitiate studies along with intermediate is given at Khandwa in Madhya Pradesh. After an year of novitiate in Coorg, the future missionaries come back to Varanasi for their philosophy and bachelor's degree at Vishwajyoti Gurukul, Christnagar. This is also the mother house of IMS. Indian and Western philosophy are taught along with many other useful subjects.
Along with all these groups, competition, rivalry, conflicts are taking place. For Karma Kant, the various rituals, and the author of the Gita is trying to uphold traditional values, but they are being challenged by these new movements.
Students are given an orientation to be at the service of the poor people, and they move out regularly on outreach service programs to the villages around the Gurukul. Along with the youth of the villages, the IMS students give literacy classes to the illiterate. The final formation is in any institute of theology. After 13 years of formation, the IMS members are ordained to be pioneering evangelizers.
सुनाने समाचार निर्धनों को, बंधाने धारस दुखियों को, मुक्ति दिलाने बंदियों को, उसने मुझको चुन लिया।
In India, over 30 million people live life below poverty line. IMS members reach out to such people in slums of the cities and in the villages to reach good news of God's love, peace and justice. IMS members daily visit the families of Christians and non-Christians in the interior villages to pray with them and to support them in their struggles of life.
राजू बेटा कहाँ बा? हाँ? राजू बेटा कहाँ बा?
अब नहीं रखे। हमारे हाथ में जादू है, जादू। देख रहे, देख रहे ना?
अब ये हमारी कई समय जब मरे।
इन ठे सौती कहूँ। आ एक ठे।
तो हाँ। काल वार तो भैया कहना ना?
के चढ़ाई मैया प्रेम का भजनिया करोगे और मेरे शिष्य। हाँ।
As the apostles did, IMS members go from house to house to break the bread, reaching Jesus in the Eucharist to the poor homes of the poor people.
प्रवेश में प्रिय भाई और बहनों और बच्चों, प्रभु में मन लगाइए। हम अपने प्रभु ईश्वर को धन्यवाद दें।
से प्रार्थना करें कि वह इस सबको प्रदान करे जो भी हमें
Large numbers of poor people flock to Matridham Ashram and other prayer centers to listen to the good news. They seek solace in the word of God.
जब हम एक मत होकर, एक साथ, एक हृदय, एक मन के होकर यहाँ पे मांगते हैं तो पिता हमारी बात को सुनता है और हमें जैसे हम मांगते हैं वैसे हमें दे देता है। हालेलुया।
समाचार प्रचार करने वाले हमारे दुनिया भर में घूम घूम कर
हालेलुया, 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 हालेलुया। जो भी बंधनों में है,
Similarly, in South India, Father Shilanath and Father Dayanand bring Jesus to the poor. Father Dayanand helps to build houses for the poor, homeless people. Father Amulya is on constant move to reach the good news to the poor of Alapura. Father Dheeraj and his team at Santwana avail every opportunity to share the good news to the poor.
सुनाने समाचार निर्धनों को, बंधाने धारस दुखियों को, मुक्ति दिलाने बंदियों को, उसने मुझको चुन लिया।
मम्मी कहाँ है?
Lok Chetna and other mission centers work towards the liberation of the oppressed, the women and the outcasts. They empower the underprivileged through the Panchayati Raj system for people's own government.
से सहयोग से एक बंटवारा किया जाता है।
Women's empowerment is a major ministry of the IMS missionaries in Terezapur and other mission centers. Self-help groups for women organized in most of the villages give economic empowerment and independence to them who are otherwise constantly being oppressed by their own husbands.
हर एक जन सोच कर आएंगे कि क्या क्या करें।
Through many meetings and marathon planning sessions, women have been organized and empowered in Benipur and the villages around.
ये जो आप लोगों का महिला संगठन है बहुत कुछ किया है।
हमारा विकास हम अपने से कर सकते हैं।
Through games and exercises, Women's Empowerment Program is in progress in Kudra Mission.
अच्छी बात को सुनने के लिए यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है।
Similarly, Sohao Mission has many self-help groups for women. Missionaries in Koderma reach out to liberate the poor in Ariyokatio villages, which are almost 50 kilometers away from Koderma Mission Center. The poor peasants are lucky that the missionaries have provided them water by digging a well for this drought-prone area in this interior jungle.
एक बार तो लेबर सब भाग गया, परदेसी लेबर ला करके यहाँ पर डेरा दे करके इसको।
In Varanasi city, Vishwa Jyoti Communications take a lead in organizing rallies for human rights of women and the oppressed.
अभी तो ये अंगड़ाई है, आगे और लड़ाई है। बंद करो, बंद करो।
उसने किया अभिषेक मेरा अभिषेक। सुनाने समाचार निर्धनों को, बंधाने धारस दुखियों को, मुक्ति दिलाने बंदियों को, उसने मुझको चुन लिया।
आपको मैं देखता हूँ, अब इनको फेंक दो। चलनी थी।
हमारा आगे कल आदमी सब मर गए।
अच्छा।
मदद नतिया हम जा।
हाँ।
खास हमारे।
In the same way as Jesus healed the blind, the deaf and the dumb, people blinded by old age, illness and loneliness flocked to Matridham Ashram.
लेकिन ईश्वर खाली तेल पानी में लगा कर उनको मत दिया तो हमारी बच्ची की अच्छा हो गई। हमारी बच्ची इतनी सुंदर हो गई।